Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today, I'll show how to make a bangle or bracelet in Solidworks software. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Now I'm going to start. The file is created. Then unit is selected MMGS and selecting the top plane sketch, and I'm taking a 3-point arc. 3-point arc is taken, sketching. Okay, that means click OK. Then I'm taking another center line, sketching a center line here, or I can draw it later. Now I'm going to make it this one, this one. All three lines are horizontal. Make it horizontal. Then OK. Then this point and this point, just make it vertical. Okay. Then taking a center line, here. Right button click OK. Then determine the dimension from here to here. I'm taking 3.5 millimeters. Okay. And the distance from here to here, taking 0.25. Okay, done. See. Then I'm going to here and circular pattern is taken. Or yeah. Then selecting this one, and I'm taking this one is 2 and selecting here, and this point is selected. Now okay. After I'm selecting the linear sketch pattern, and I'm taking this one is 7 and taking this degree is 180. Okay, then see. Then I'm going to the mirror. Again I'm going to the mirror, selecting this line and this line, then mirror about and click on this center line. Okay, now exit it. After that, I'm taking the front plane sketch, then going here and center point straight slot is taken and sketching. Then okay, determine this one is 1.5 mm. Taking this one is 1.5 mm and this one is 0.3 mm. Then okay, then see. After that, select pressing the control click here and another click on this line and make it pairs. Okay, then going to the exit it, then go to the features, web box is taken. One here it's selected, so selecting this line and selecting this portion, see, and going to the option, and I make it the merge tangent faces. Then okay, now see. After that, mirror is selected and going here, control is taken, selecting this body and it's taking the unmerge. Then okay. Now see. After that, I'm going to the insert features and I'm taking the flags command. Before going here, I want to do another job. Now I'm going here, features, and move and copy is selected. Then selecting this portion first and taking this one is 45 degree. Okay, and again I'm selecting another part, so I'm going to the features and move is selected, move and copy, and selecting this portion now, and this one is make it minus 45. Okay, X condition here. Now front plane is taken, sketch, and taking a center rectangle, sketch here, go to the dimension, determine it, and taking this one is 8 mm, and taking this one is 20 mm or 50 mm, 15 mm, and one is larger than this one. Then going to the features, extruder card is selected. In both sides, I'm through all is both sides selected, and flip side to cut, and I want to cut it. So upper sides are cut. So now see, this one is cut it. Then I'm going to the insert features and flex is selected. Click this portion and this portion. Now going to the downwards, I'm taking this one is 90 degree, and this one is also 90 degree, and X conditionals it's taking the 0 degree, and this one is lowest. I'm going to the upwards and I'm taking this one is the 24 degree, or it will be 24.19 millimeters. Then okay. Now see. Then top line is taken, sketch, going here and taking a center line, sketch a center line, advanced click OK. Smart dimension is taken and taking this one is 26.19 mm. Okay. Here, then exit it. Now see. After that, I'm going to the reference geometry and axis is taken and selecting this point, going here and top plane is selected. Then okay. After that, I'm going here, circular pattern is taken and selecting the bodies and click uh, flex, or I can select this one and select this portion. Now see. And I'm taking this one is 45 or 40. Now I think 40 is better, or okay, 45. I'm taking 45 and the angle is 360 degree. And okay. It's taking time, so wait a few seconds. Okay, now done it. Then I'm selecting the surface, sketch, then going to the circle, sketching a circle up to here, better. Then going to the features, sweep box is selected, circular pattern selected, then click on this portion, so which I have done. Now I'm taking this one as the 1 mm. Okay, then going here and Mars result is withdrawn and Mars tangent face is okay. Then done. Wait a few seconds. Okay, done this one. Then I'm going to the mirror and body selected, selecting this sweep, and this one is selected. Then going to this face and top plane is selected. Then okay. Okay. The bangle or bracelet is done. Now right button is click, hide it. Right button is click, hide it. And I want to select the materials. I'm going here and appearance color. I'm taking the metals. Taking this one is the gold and the silver. Okay. Polished silver is taken. Now polished silver and this color is better, I think. Now I'm selecting this one. I think got it everybody how to sketch a bracelet or bangle in Solidworks software. If you think that you are benefited, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. The redesign engineering is always with you. Thank you so much.